thing in the morning, I woke up, went to Planet Fitness, got some water massages because that 10-hour drive yesterday has me feeling dead. Currently we're filling up gas. This is the cheapest gas station. About to go to grocery outlet, pick up some chicken so I can cook some dinner tonight. Spent $19, half a tank. About to go in here and make some oats so I have something to hold me over. Rinse that grease out. Okay, that's all nice and clean. They had some Dawn dish soap over there that I use a little bit of it, and that's a good consistency for our oats. Get the super green ones. This is the biggest one they have. 746 for 4.69 pounds of meat. For 5 pounds of potatoes, can't beat that deal. Gotta get them. Might as well get some noodles too while we're here. $1.99, not too bad. $39 for the rice. Let's go. 69 cents and 89 cents, not bad. Jelly. $18.60 for all this. Not bad. I did forget to get ice, so it's probably gonna come to around 20 bucks total. Let's hurry up and go toss this bag of ice into the cooler. Nah, this is crazy. They literally don't have any of the cheap bread right here. I asked an employee right there. She's actually running to the back to grab me some Great Value bread, so that's awesome. In the meantime, let's get the peanut butter. Peanut butter. Oh my God, that looks so good, bro. I bet this is like $45 though. Hey, that works. Either way, thank you so much. I need more paprika. That stuff. $10. What a ripoff. Oh my God, I forgot my wallet. I'm officially heading to Sequoia. It's an hour and 44-minute drive from Sequoia, or we'll go to Fresno, Yosemite, and up to Santa Rosa. We just got into Sequoia, and this is one of the first beautiful views that I get to see. Nice trash cans over there, but or dumpsters, but this view is amazing. Just coming in, like, mountains everywhere. I'm loving this spot so far. I need to find a spot to park with some shade so I can kind of just chill out and edit. That's the goal for today. Long car rides, that's my favorite thing to do, is just hop on the phone and just talk for like hours. It makes the car ride go by so much faster. It's 11:40, so I can edit for like 10 hours today if I get somewhere within the next like 20 or 30 minutes. I have some chicken that I can cook for dinner tonight. I got peanut butter and jelly for lunch. I got oats. Let's go find a cool spot to park. Found this spot more in Sequoia, a little bit deeper. It's on I-Overlander. I just took an outdoor pee. There's no Wi-Fi here, so I think I'm gonna drive back towards the lake where there is Wi-Fi, and I found a camping spot near the lake. Hopefully I don't slip down this. Ow, 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 ow. What is that damn thing in there? Those things are pointy. Get out of there. I don't want any of that. This is a sleep spot. I could come here tonight. I can't cook here though. Fire restrictions and whatnot. You need a permit for the stove. Yeah, we found this little shade. So let's hopefully go try to find some shade over by the lake. We're gonna drive back. We're backtracking now. The views out here are insane. I love spots like this, just in the mountains. Like, oh, there's a house for sale right there. How much do you guys think that house cost? Right on the mountain, amazing view. Probably at least 1.5 million, at least. This might be the best spot to camp in ever. I don't know. Imagine waking up here. This is amazing. R.I.P. King Von, but we just made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Let's eat this thing. We found this nice camping spot. It's more of a picnic area, but they got water fill up. I'm gonna fill up my, what is this, a 7-gallon? 20 liters. But yeah, this nice spot. We can just chill here in the shade. Okay. The water's refilled. Now it's time to edit for like 10 hours. Not a bad day at the office. Moved to a different spot over here to start, so I can get my posts out because it's 4 o'clock. Oh, now it's 4:40, but I actually have better service over here. So we moved to this spot, and I'm making another peanut butter and jelly. Am I tired of eating peanut butter and jellies? Yes, I am, but tonight we got chicken and rice, so counting on that, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing. But yeah, I don't like leaving my car running right now because we're just sitting here wasting gas. So I'm gonna go back to the spot where it was like a picnic area, and because you're allowed to cook there. And then other than that, we were gonna drive up more towards the mountains because it's gonna be colder there at night. It's gonna be like 55 degrees versus here it's gonna be like 72 degrees tonight. So I wanted to sleep in comfort, but I talked to one of the dudes and they basically said don't go, you know. I was like, what about bear attacks? Like, how often does that happen? He's like, just don't have food. And I was like, oh, okay. Or he's like, put your food in bear boxes. And I was like, what if you're in your car? Are you good if you're in your car? And he's like, a bear will just shred your car to pieces. So I don't know if I want to go sleep in bear country where many bears have been spotted and they're known to like walk around the parking lot. I don't know if I want to go there and sleep at night with food in my car. I could be being extra paranoid, or I could just be, you know, precautious right now. I would love to go sleep up there though, but I don't know. I'm kind of like, maybe that conversation happened for a reason. I was supposed to hear that so that I wouldn't go up there. I do have some drinking water right here. I can just pour this into my other jugs. Now it's time to cook up some dinner. I plugged in one of my power stations to the solar since we got this beautiful sun banging. Just gonna do some simple chicken and rice. Got some veggies and some corn. Hopefully my butane doesn't run out. Like, we need a break. Just to appreciate the view we got going on here. Potatoes are done, a little too done. Chicken is getting chopped up, about to throw it on the fryer. Rice is done. And then after we cook the chicken, all we gotta do is throw the corn and the mixed vegetables. Oh, I should have thrown the corn and the mixed vegetables in there with all the chicken seasoned up. About to put this in the Tupperware and then start cooking up the chicken. Sun is still going down over here. Beautiful view, keeps getting better. All right, the sun's going down. Got everything packed up. About to pack it up in my car and we're gonna head over to the sleep spot. I'll see you guys there. 83, I don't think it's gonna be 83 tonight. I think it's gonna be more like 70. A rechargeable fan, but I just plug it into this power bank just to make sure it doesn't die during the night and I can blast it on full power all night. Cooling down with some AC right now. About to grab my window screens so I can have the windows cracked quite a bit and have nice airflow coming through. It should be right there. Yep, there. So far, our window screens put up and I got about 2 inches on each window. Somebody could definitely reach their hand in my car if they wanted to, but we're out in the middle of nowhere, so hopefully all was good. Good morning, guys. Just thought you guys should catch this sunrise with me. I love this spot so much.